Just, I'm okay.
It's okay.
No, she don't want me to touch it.
My little baby. You itching? Yeah, you seen how he was trying to tell me to scratch him right here? You saw that, Gotti? He was trying to tell me to scratch him. No, you want me to scratch your back?
I don't want to go back to the back.
He gonna roll over. No, I'm not touching it.
I do my homework on this one.
How you doing? Hey, Bruce. You like my outfit?
Yes, of course. I've seen it yesterday
Right.
when he bought it. Put them.
There's a big ass bug on you. Wow. Why he not attacking?
Why should he? Because it's like this. Why you want to attack him? No. Last time, you know, Lato? Yeah. She work with Tiger. You are with him? The beef.
Now they mad.
Offset also. I want you also.
Okay.
He said Lato walk with the Tiger.
He's trying to hide.
It's too late now. He got the bag. There's no show no more. We're gonna ask for more chocolate.
Kiki, come here. Come here, Kiki. Come here. What? What's wrong?
Let's play. Uncle Candy. Yeah.
Kiki.
Here's your baby.
Suave.
It's late for us. You gotta sleep.
No, it's
11. It's 11.
It's not. Then.
you again? You attacked me when I was not paying attention? You. Now I attack back. What do you think about that?
Kiki like you.